Thank you. Thanks for informing. Okay, like if you see again, curriculum vitae or CV is not highlighted, it's just the resume which is getting highlighted. So that's reason whenever we are giving that must to have keyword, any one single keywords, we would definitely need that double quotes around the keywords so that Google will understand that human is looking for some of the keywords as a must to have, though it could be a LinkedIn or though it could be a what we say a Google. Yeah, let me stop the share. Okay, can we use pipe instead of or in job portals?
No, Shiv.
Okay, can we use space instead of and in job portal?
No.
Can
No,
we
Shiv.
use minus instead of not in job portal?
No.
I
Can
think
we use
LinkedIn
not
accepts it.
instead of minus in Google Express search?
No.
No, Shiv.
No.
Can we use and instead of space in Google Express search?
No.
Shiv.
No.
What will happen if we use and?
It will understand it as keyword.
Keyword.
Yes.
And how do we cross verify that whether it is understanding as keyword or not?
We can search in the HTTPS.
In
In this HTTPS,
URL.
in the address
The
syntax.
URL. You can see that.
in the URL bar,
Yeah, URL bar.
search bar. Okay. So which are the operators? Are operators case sensitive?
Yes, Shiv.
Yes.
Yes.
And in which operators are written in which case, uppercase or lowercase, and or not
Up-
specifically?
All in
Uppercase.
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 Keywords are case sensitive.
No.
No,
No.
Shiv.
Okay, that's awesome. Super cool. Amazing. So let's move on to the next. Anyone still has any doubts why it is case sensitive, why it is not case sensitive, why and where the spaces are required, why not required? Anyone joining for the first time today and missed last two sessions?
Shiv, I have it.
Shiv.
Hi,
missed
Shiv,
yesterday's
it's me.
session.
Sunita here, joined for first time.
Sunita and Kirtana, right?
No, Kirtana, myself, like I missed only yesterday's session. I was there in the first day.
Fine, no problem. Yesterday's one a little bit more dive deep on and or not. So that's reason these few questions what we asked today might have been a little confused to you, but otherwise that's completely fine. I have already uploaded the videos for the yesterday's session also in this. Just go through this so that you'll understand why we were asking about those spaces and all everything, the kind of operators.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, we'll do that.
Sure.
Yeah. Same Sushmita. Sushmita or Sunita?
It's Sunita.
Yeah, Sunita.
Sunita, yeah.
Yeah, Sharma, you were telling something?
Yeah. I have a doubt, Shiv. Like in our last, set string, so Java or Python, not iPhone is what you have written.
Mhm.
So I, minus I again minus 4. So should we keep codes for iPhone or not?
Not required. Yesterday we tried and tested. Na? Even this minus and I hyphen phone is getting immediately, let's say, mobile minus I hyphen phone. We need a mobile, but we don't need a iPhones. So though we might see some of the iPhone results, but after opening those results, we did see that there was I space phone. It was not as it is as a I hyphen phone as it is. So nowhere we have seen that it was I hyphen phone was coming as it is.
Got it, Shiv. In these cases, can we put this iPhone in quotes? Like minus.
You can
it's
keep
not
it.
quote and
So sometimes if you're getting 1 or 2 result because of a huge content, Google is trying to still suggest or still trying to give those means, as we know that sometimes if we don't give in a double quotes, then Google or LinkedIn goes with the assumptions. So just to overcome those assumptions, where is that? We can definitely give that
Okay, sure. Thank
in
you.
the
Sir.
double
Thank you.
quotes. So here it is. Okay, so okay, or modifier generally equivalent or synonym concept in other words, as well in add also. If you enter two term without and, the system assumes is and in between them. Types of searches essentially narrows your result and intersect of a two terms. So where is that? Include two term and separate those terms with the uppercase if you enter two term without and. So it again narrows down and it assumes and gives the those ones, what we say with the assumptions, it tries to give the results. So where else? Your search written profile contain one term, the other, all the terms, the more words you enter are connected by or, the more the results you get are. Examples includes. All right, just come back to this. Okay, I think we are good on that. So exact phrase as it is, we even can use it for a single word. Yes, we can use even for a single word when we need those keywords in a must or must to have, or else Google, LinkedIn will go with the assumptions and start showing us a similar results or the results which are synonyms to given keyword, like we have just checked for that particular resume, right? Similarly here also for mobile also minus I hyphen mobile, I minus I hyphen phone. Now it started excluding maybe a slow learning which is involved in this Google searches. Yesterday, one result we were able to see that we were getting of the iPhone results, but what happened is now Google understood that okay, the person is not actually trying to look at. Now we are not getting that particular result as well. But let's see. But even after seeing in case if we get it and sure that it won't be I hyphen phone as it is, there might be a space between I and a phone. In search as we given yesterday, but we had some 2 or 3 false positive result that has been disappeared now. All right. So Sharma, to answer your question, definitely you can use this first. In case if it is still showing you some of the false positive result, then you can always go ahead and keep it in the I hyphen phone like this. And then you can minus iPhone also. Then you can minus I space phone as well. So like this also you can do. So this is a Google feature. So ignore this. This is based on the features you're getting, but this also is a Google feature. But rest of the content what you're getting, where you won't see any iPhones, though you will be able to see the content of mobile, but no iPhones. All right, so moving on to next for today's session. So whoever has missed the last 2 sessions, just go through this doc. I'll just share a doc link. Once again, go through this doc, and there you'll be able to find the notes as well the recorded videos. So just go through those and you'll be able to pick up from the next session. So these initial ones are really important. Okay, so now coming back, understanding, people also search for in Google, understanding some advanced operator and their benefits, and Boolean searches. When we use a combination of Boolean operators and the keywords, it become a Boolean searches. So let's go first and search for Netflix. Some of the interesting series are going on. So let's say once we search for a Netflix, on the right hand side, what Google shows is like as information about Netflix, their Wikipedia page, and then some most visited places, most visited pages like Play Store or Twitter or anything from the Netflix. First itself would be a Netflix, because if someone is searching for Netflix, definitely the first site to visit is a Netflix, and about the wiki page of a Netflix, the stock prices, founded, revenue, headquarters, who is CEO, who is founder. When we are generally working on some talent intel reports, these insights, maybe in a very advanced level, we can come when we are in a very advanced stages. That time we can come and understand in case if these insights are required or not. Especially in a startup is something where it is required, but not exactly, I would say, for the already big tech companies. Already they are competing based on brands and names only. In that cases, this won't be required, but wherein in the startup, sometimes it might be required to capture such kind of information. Otherwise, now if you see, once we search for a Netflix, okay, Google is giving us additional results, because Google knows that, okay, Netflix is basically a movie hosting platform. It shows that, okay, films produced, what are the number of movies Netflix has produced, or the kind of a TV shows, then the profile pages of Netflix on the various sites. But otherwise, if you see, there is something called people also search for. Okay, so people who search for Netflix, they would have searched for Amazon, they would have searched for Disney, they would have searched for Twitch, they would have searched for Hulu, they would have searched for HBO Max. So basically, Google is trying to analyze the lakhs and millions of massive search data and the human behavior. If she is searching for Java, is that she also searching for Python? If she is searching for Python, is that she also searching for Ruby? So based on that, Google is trying to analyze so much of data and trying to help here people who would have searched for Netflix. People also search for, these are the companies. So they might be searching either for watching movies, or they might be searching either for interview process in those companies. They might be searching for various reasons. Like if you see Microsoft Corporation, which is not similar to Netflix, but in terms of someone who is in an offer, who is having an offer from the Netflix and offer from the Microsoft, and if they wanted to compare between the Microsoft and the Netflix, they might do some searches: salaries at Microsoft, work-life balance at Microsoft, or interview process at Microsoft. Similarly, interview process at Netflix. Similarly, they might search for interview process at Netflix, or interview questions at Netflix, software interview questions at Netflix, work-life balance at Netflix, variety of questions. So whatever they are searching. So what Google is trying to understand, okay, fine, if someone is trying to search for a Netflix there, so these people are also actually searching for Prime Video, Disney, Twitch, Hulu, or a lot of various stuff. The reason we wanted to, as a recruiter or as a sourcer, why it is necessary for us is basically when we come across some of the new skills. Let's say we come across crypto. If someone is saying that I wanted someone who is crypto certified, if the hiring manager asks is someone, okay, we need to check someone who is a crypto certified, then we just search for crypto. So crypto, okay, I did not get anything. Crypto Netflix, what is that? I think it's trying to improve. Interesting. The searches may be relevant to recent activity. Your search activity. That's amazing. So yeah, it's trying to search. So here is the entire activity of whatever I was searching, and it's trying to catch. So that's again still scaling up. So crypto, let's say cryptocurrency. Yep. Okay. So cryptocurrency, we got some of the what we say, some of the content because Casper is trying to uh, protect against the cryptocurrency digital payment system that doesn't rely on a banks to verify the transaction. So that is something which is most visited. I would say, okay, yes. Done. Then some of the photos. Now, if you see here, cryptocurrencies, view 5 more books on cryptocurrencies. Okay, we have a big books on cryptocurrencies. So crypto is built on what? Digital payments, crypto. Otherwise, let's search for blockchain. So blockchain is basically a technology to build those cryptocurrencies or any Bitcoins or anything. See results for blockchain. Why we are not getting people also search for? So is that has been become limited? Searches blockchain cryptocurrency. So this is a direct questions and the direct answers. Let me try. Blockchain. Let's search for Python. All right, now let's say if we search for, so maybe Google does not have as of now so much of massive data where to give that if someone is searching for cryptocurrencies or someone is searching for blockchain, they might be searching for these results also. That's the reason these results are not appearing now. But otherwise, if we see someone is searching for Python, so we got a books, we got a libraries, and then we also got people also search for additional skills. When someone is searching for machine learning, we got a box, we got a libraries. Again, we got 10 more. If someone is searching for, this is for AI. So if someone is searching for AI, people also search for an additional stuff like AI, Internet of Things, intelligence, data science, robotics, technology, machine learning, algorithms, computer technology. Let's say if someone is searching, let's come back to the normal mode. This might be give us a result. Okay, if someone is searching for Bitcoin, there are people who also searched for Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Cardano. So these are all again cryptocurrencies. So let's say there's a requirement of my hiring manager, which is a recent. So let's say I work in a company, or I joined the company which is building this crypto platforms like Kuber or CoinDX or anything. Okay, and they would be regularly hiring in people from who would have been building this cryptocurrencies or anything. So I might know only one or two names like Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, like that, but I might not know many more names. So in that case, when we just search for one Bitcoin, then I also started getting a list of other cryptocurrencies where people would have searched for. So I can definitely go ahead and build the targeted list, because now if I see Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Cardano, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Tron, Binance, these are all again the other cryptocurrencies. Let's say if we search for Coinbase. Let's take Coinbase. Someone searching for Coinbase would have also searched for Binance, CoinMarket, Hobby. So again, these are again some of the platforms which allows you to trade in cryptocurrencies. So I might not know, I might know only 2 or 3 names, but if I want to build a longer list of targeted companies or targeted skills, something like, let's say what, SaaS, software as a service, then people also search for cloud computing, which is again, cloud computing is again a mini part of, cloud computing is a umbrella under which we get software as a service, internet as a service, platform as a service. Let's see what else. So this is for the Coinbase. Let's say we search for Paytm. If we search for Paytm, then we also have people also search for PhonePe, Flipkart, IRCTC, Make My Trip, State Bank of India, Book My Show, Bharti Airtel, HDFC Bank. Again, somewhere similar to the either a banking or either a mobile charging apps or online apps or kind of e-commerce sites or kind of a UPI payment sites. Again, somewhere, let's say if I'm hiring for the Paytm, this could be definitely my targeted list of companies. Something else, let's say LinkedIn. Okay, now when people search for LinkedIn, we're also getting, these are the people, whoever is searched for the LinkedIn Corporation, they would have also searched for Microsoft, Twitter, Cisco, GitHub, Netflix, Yahoo, Meta, Nouns Communication, Instagram, Skype, Google, Apple, Baidu, Salesforce, Adobe, eBay. And again, if you see, these are all pretty much competitors of LinkedIn. If someone wants to hire for LinkedIn, they might go behind this set of companies and build the targeted list of candidates or whatever. Or let's say someone has searched for Accenture. So we get all those big tech service companies: Capgemini, Deloitte, Cognizant, TCS, Infosys, IBM, McKinsey, PricewaterhouseCoopers, KPMG, Wipro, all this. Now, if I can still say these are all the competitors of Accenture. Let's say if I'm hiring for the Accenture, EY, Wipro and all anything, I would just search for my company name and I would see the people behavior. It's not my behavior or it's not my assumption. It's a people behavior, which Google is helping me understand what people have searched for if they have searched for this term. If someone has searched for biryani, people also search for samosa. Someone is hungry and searching for biryani, then definitely. So someone is searching for Hyderabadi biryani, someone is searching for basmati rice, someone is searching for naan, someone is searching for pulao. So depends. But whatever is coming is related to food. Let's say Jeera. Okay, coming. So people who search for Jeera, so we got all masalas. So let's say if I want to buy some organic tea. Okay, for organic tea, not much. Maybe I'll just enter tea. Okay, someone has searched for tea. People also search for varieties of tea. A coffee, black tea, masala chai, bubble tea, matcha, beverages, green tea, oolong tea, early grey tea, barley tea, white tea. So herbal tea. So if you see, it's the almost, it's basically a people behavior. The reason I was trying to tell you why we need to see this, because whatever the term what we're searching for, Google is also helping us understand that if someone is searching for this particular technology, this particular skill or this particular company, these are the people who might be searching for the additional stuff also. So this will help us